In this tutorial I will show you how to create such ice cream scoop poster design in Adobe Photoshop. Create new document of 2000 by 2500 pixels. Press Ctrl+R to enable ruler. Left click and drag to add guideline. From file place ice cream scoop image. To download images, link is provided in description. Hold Alt key to equally resize the image. Keep angle to -14 degree. Then go to Layers panel. Select Background layer. From Adjustment layer select Gradient. Follow the process. Copy these hex codes. Keep angle to -63 degree. Adjust the gradient. Now select Ellipse tool. Left click to insert its width and height. Keep fill to none and stroke to white color. Keep stroke size to 175 pixels. Press Ctrl+T to free transform. Place it in center. Press Ctrl+J to make a copy. Use Alt key to equally resize the shape. Hold Shift to select all stroke layers. Press Ctrl+G to group it. Name the layer. Decrease opacity to 20%. Select ice cream scoop layer. Adjust it in center. Double-click on layer to open layer style. Enable drop shadow. Copy this hex code. Follow these overall settings. From file place coffee beans and leaf PNG image. Select lasso tool. Make selection of single bean. After selection press Ctrl+J to make a copy. Similarly follow the same process to select remaining leaves and coffee beans. Make sure to always select image layer to make a copy. Delete the image layer. Select copy layers using Shift key. Group and name the layer. Now start placing coffee beans and leaves as per shown. Now select left top bean. From Effects select Drop Shadow. Copy this hex code. Follow these drop shadow settings. Then from Filter select Blur, then Gaussian Blur. Keep radius to 10 pixels. Similarly add drop shadow and Gaussian blur to remaining leaves in coffee beans images. Drop shadow settings will remain the same. Change radius to 12 pixels. Change radius to 4 pixels. Change radius to 3 pixels. Change radius to 2 pixels. Change radius to 8 pixels. Change radius to 4 pixels. Now select Type tool. Left-click to insert. Then go to Properties. I am using Century Gothic bold font. Change text size to 45 points. Follow other properties as well. Type the text. Place the text accordingly. Press Ctrl+J to make a copy. Select the text and go to Properties. Font will remain the same. Change text size to 72 points. Type the text. Make one more copy of the text. Change font from bold to regular. Change text size to 10 points. Follow other properties as well. Type the text. Place it as shown. Make a copy of text. For this I am using Brittany Signature regular font. Change text size to 65 points. Type the text. Copy this hex code. Place it accordingly. Now select all text layers using Shift key. Group it and name the layer. From View select Guides, then New Guide Layout. Follow these settings. From File, place Veg label. Select layer, right-click and rasterize it. Select Rectangle Marquee tool and select Non-Veg label. Press Delete to remove it. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Press Ctrl+T to resize and place the label in left bottom corner. Press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+E key to create merged layer. Name the layer. From View select Guides, then Clear Guides. This is the final result. That's it for today. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments. Also, don't forget to check out my other poster design tutorials. Thank you.